Right here?
Stick it like right there.
Okay. I put on really low that time.
It doesn't even look like a water bottle anymore.
Wait, show me the thing. Gosh.
You good?
Yep.
Screw the thing on.
Oh Lord, oh Lord.
It's so creepy. I got close. I looked underneath, saw the bottle about this wide.
We have a 2319!
Next to the
Just put it right next to the phone.
Go, go, go.
Oh my gosh!
Go, Will.
Back up, Kenny! It's the bomb. How do you do? How do you do? Oh! Alright. Oh, it's still cold.
Ground?
It's still cold.
It's so
No,
cold.
it's just the stuff in here.
Oh, it blew this whole entire side.
That was a really underwhelming sound.
That was terrifying.
Now, next time, don't sit on it, and we're gonna see how high we can get in the air. Will.
It won't go.
Will.
Is it in there? It's like fighting the fizz for airtime.
Oh.
See, I told you it would make it more interesting at least. It's bubbling. I can feel it. We're gonna want to put a lot in there.
Okay.
$5 to the person who sits right here.
Oh
other
god, just
side of
curls
the
up
pool.
behind. Just curls up on the other side.
Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die.
Well, Brant, I take that as
I think the CO2 gas won.
I'm not actually
the
gonna give you
fizz
$5.
war.
You can give it both of you.
Now. Oh.
Alright, come on, give your fingers a second to chill. See, it's a joke. Right, I'm sorry that there's Dr. Pepper all over your thing now. We're gonna need a ton. This thing's huge, so. We need to break some more.
No. Brant. Brant.
Ah, cold. Cool. My hand's all sticky now. It's also frozen. remember one time at a Halloween party, I like grabbed some dry ice that's on the floor because I didn't know what it was. My grandma was like, "Well, don't grab it," and I just said, "Why?" and then grabbed it like full force, just like squeezed it super hard. It was bad. Yeah, I should have opened my hands now. All right.
Oh no.
I think that's probably enough.
I'm gonna get. I don't know if that went in or not.
It did.
All right, that's probably good.
Nope. So like one more and then we cap it.
Brent, we got camera first before we cap it.
Yeah, we do that. Set them up. They're going.
Set 'em up? They're
Yeah,
good?
they're good.
All right.
All right.
Run away!
Brant, get the airsoft gun. Brant, get the airsoft gun.
We got a BB gun.
Yeah.
Let's wait like 3 minutes and see if
It's swelling.
I'm staying here.
Hold your ground.
Hold your gun, boys.
Oh God, people. That was a shockwave. I felt the shockwave.
How'd that feel?
Wow.
Holy crap.
Just got the thing. If this thing didn't, oh, it's right there. It's in the garden.